8884. The purpose of derating switches for known continuous load current applications is A. To calculate the voltage drop across the circuit. B. To prevent short circuits in the motor field windings. C. To obtain reasonable switch efficiency and service life. The correct answer is C. Derating switches for known continuous load current applications is done to ensure that the switches operate within their specified capacity and have an adequate margin for reliable and long-term operation. Continuous load current refers to the sustained current flow through a circuit over an extended period of time. By derating switches, the actual load current is kept below the maximum rated current of the switch. This is done to prevent the switch from operating at its maximum capacity, which can lead to increased heat generation, reduced efficiency, and decreased service life. Switches, like any electrical component, generate heat when current flows through them. Derating the switch ensures that it operates within a safe temperature range and minimizes the risk of overheating, which can cause premature failure or damage to the switch. By selecting switches with higher current ratings than the actual load requires, the switch is not operating at its maximum capacity, allowing for improved efficiency, better heat dissipation, and longer service life. 8885. What is the advantage of a circuit breaker compared to a fuse? A. It is easily replaced. B. It controls current flow. C. It is resettable and reusable. The correct answer is C. Circuit breakers and fuses are both used as protective devices in electrical circuits to prevent damage from overcurrent conditions. While both serve a similar purpose, circuit breakers have the advantage of being resettable and reusable, which sets them apart from fuses. Here's why circuit breakers have an advantage over fuses. Resettable. When a circuit breaker trips due to an overcurrent condition, such as a short circuit or overload, it can be easily reset by simply flipping the breaker switch back to the on position. This convenience saves time and effort compared to fuses, which need to be physically replaced after they blow or open the circuit. Reusable. Circuit breakers can be reused multiple times after they trip. Once the cause of the overcurrent condition is addressed, such as resolving a short circuit or reducing the load, the circuit breaker can be reset and continue protecting the circuit. On the other hand, fuses are designed to be sacrificial devices and must be replaced every time they blow. 8886. What is the advantage of a current limiter? A. It breaks the circuit quickly. B. It can be reset easily. C. It can handle overload for a short period. The correct answer is C. A current limiter is a protective device used in electrical circuits to limit the amount of current flowing through the circuit. It has the advantage of being able to handle overload conditions for a short period of time. Here's why this is advantageous. Overload protection. Current limiters are designed to handle temporary overloads in the circuit. They can allow a higher current to flow for a short duration without immediately tripping or interrupting the circuit. This is useful in situations where there may be momentary surges or inrush currents that are within a safe operating range for a brief time. Protection against damage. By limiting the current to a safe level during overloads, current limiters help protect the circuit components from damage. They prevent excessive heat buildup, voltage drops, and other detrimental effects that can occur when the current exceeds the rated capacity of the circuit. 8887. What should be used to protect wires from chafing when they need to pass through bulkheads, firewalls, ribs, etc.? A. Aerodynamic duct tape. B. Suitable grommet. C. Plastic spiral wrap. The correct answer is B. When wires pass through bulkheads, firewalls, ribs, or any other structure, it is important to protect them from chafing or damage due to contact with sharp edges or abrasive surfaces. A suitable grommet should be used for this purpose. Here's why. Protection against chafing. A grommet is a rubber or plastic component that is inserted into a hole or an opening through which the wire passes. It acts as a cushioning and protective barrier between the wire and the surrounding structure. The grommet helps prevent the wire insulation from rubbing against sharp edges or abrasive surfaces, reducing the risk of chafing and potential short circuits or damage. Insulation and vibration dampening. Grommets also provide insulation and help dampen vibrations that can occur during the normal operation of the aircraft. This further protects the wires from mechanical stress and potential damage. 8888. In aircraft electrical systems, automatic reset circuit breakers. A. Should not be used as circuit protective devices. B. Are useful where only temporary overloads are normally encountered. C. Must be used in all circuits essential to the safe operation of the aircraft. The correct answer is A. According to 14 CFR Part 23 regulations, it is mandated that every resettable circuit protective device must be designed in a way that requires manual intervention to restore service after tripping. This requirement ensures that in the event of a fault or overload, the circuit protective device interrupts the circuit and cannot automatically resume normal operation without manual intervention. This design feature promotes safety by ensuring that proper assessment and corrective action are taken before restoring the circuit to service, minimizing the risk of potential hazards and ensuring compliance with aviation safety standards.